guys, how are we? It's Chris here from Remote Pro, and today we have the ATA smartphone control kit. This enables your opener to be controlled remotely from your smartphone with an ATA app installed. Easy setup on your smartphone. Simply download the app from the App Store or the Google Play Store. This can control multiple locations from one app, monitoring the status of your garage door or gate. You can receive alerts when your door has been left open, and you can view the activity log to see who has opened your garage door or gate and when. Alrighty guys, let's unbox this and see what's included in the box. Alrighty, first we've got the Smart Hub itself. Alrighty. Well packaged. That there is your transceiver. And you've got a power supply for the Smart Hub, so that gets connected into there. And we also have a wiring harness and mounting brackets and screws. Please check the list in the description to make sure that your motor model is compatible. If you have another branded motor which you would like to use smartphone compatibility, we do also sell other products which you can retrofit onto your garage door or gate and can be found in the smart home automation on our website. Please note that you must get Wi-Fi at your door for these products to work. Thank you guys.